Good day, learners. This is Easy Engineering. For today's topic, we're going to talk about the forest ecosystem. If you observe a globe or a map, you can see that there are blue, green, and brown parts. We know that blue is the ocean and brown is the land. How about the green part? Green parts are the forest, and forest is actually a kind of ecosystem. So, let's dive into what they really are. A forest is a piece of land with many trees. Forests are one of the most common and most important kinds of ecosystems on our planet. There are lots of kinds of forests in the world, and that includes the deciduous forest, the coniferous forest, and even the tropical forest. Many different types of plants and animals consider the forest as their home for them to live and to survive. So let's start with the deciduous forest. Deciduous forests are usually warmer than other forests. It rains in the summer and it oftentimes snows in the winter time. Lots of trees grow here like the oak trees, beech trees, maple trees, and more. If you live in Asia, North and South America, and in Europe, you might notice a lot of these trees. Fun fact, learners, did you know that deciduous trees' leaves change color depending on what season it is? Greenish in the spring and summer, then becomes reddish in the fall. Then they lose their leaves in the winter. Amazing. Now other plants grow in the deciduous forest, shrubs that provide the animals with food and shelter. The soil in this forest has a lot of nutrients needed for the trees to survive. Now the question is, can people also live there? Well, actually, most people that live in the forest live in the deciduous forest. That's because temperatures of the deciduous forest are not too cold or not too warm. Now how about the animals? Most animals like bears, chipmunks, squirrels, bald eagles, moose, and deers live there. If you notice these animals, most of them grow thicker coats of fur for the winter, and they hibernate when it gets too cold. Hibernation is sleeping for a long time without eating or drinking. Next is the coniferous forest. Coniferous forest can be found in some parts of North America, Asia, and Europe. These places are cool and snowy during winter and warm and dry during the summer. Mostly coniferous forests are composed of pines, fir, and spruce trees. They include low-growing plants and grow mosses too. Fun fact, learners, did you know that the cones of the pines aren't just for decoration, but also for production? Yes, our Christmas tree has seeds inside the cones, so if you have the proper conditions, you can actually grow them. The cones of these trees fall off instead of its leaves. Waxy coatings and pointy leaves that doesn't need much water have helped coniferous trees adapt to the strong weather. So, what animals can be found in coniferous forest? Animals found in the coniferous forest are the owls, deer, beavers, and woodpeckers. That's because there are many insects, rats, and other birds that live there and serve as their food. They also have thick furs and hibernate when needed. But still be careful in this forest because a snake might be hiding under the bushes. So lastly, the tropical forest. Tropical forests are another type of forest biome that grow near the equator. It is the line that divides the earth in half. The climate is mostly warm and has lots of rain, and this doesn't change no matter what month it is. In this forest, the trees grow very tall due to all of the rain, and so the sunlight has a hard time reaching the ground. Examples of these trees are the fig trees, coconut trees, banana trees, and a lot of fruit trees. That's why some animals can live here. So what are the animals found in tropical forest? Many insects and worms can be found in the tropical forest that becomes a basic food for other animals like birds, frogs, and rats. Most animals live comfortably in the tropical forest because of the warmth and stable source of water. But don't be too confident in these areas because many of the animals are venomous and they camouflage themselves. That includes venomous snakes such as the vipers. There are also some lizards, bats, insects such as stink bugs, birds such as lorikeets, and monkeys that live here. Spiders are also known to be in the tropical forest. In fact, some say that spiders are so big here that they eat birds. And that's very scary. And so that's it. That is all for now. I hope you learned something today. Once again, this is Easy Engineering.